Hi guys, so I want to do a video of my life as my last week as a final year medical student lecturers, or my last year final year, my last final year lectures in University of Nigeria. So you guys, I want you to follow me through all the whole week and what's gonna happen through my last week lecture, my day in my life, and every. Okay. See you guys later.
You as a clinician is how to manage this situation. So the most important thing is for us to recognize that we are dealing with a poison. Because sometimes, and most times, poison.
Anyways, you guys, I'm done for the day. I'm so excited, honestly. Today was just, well, at the beginning it was looking very promising, but later it was just cardiology, and kind of boring anyways. But we're done, and I want to go and see if I can study and have other things to do for my day. So take care. Bye. Yeah. Hi guys, this is day 2 of my a week in my life, in my last lecture, in my final days of medical school. So today is day 2, and I couldn't show myself and I'm waking up because I've been reading and stuff like that, so I didn't even show that part. I even woke up at the night to read as well. Yeah, so I'm about to go have a shower and then dress up and go to school because we have lectures throughout this week, and then my next lecture as a student. I can't wait. So anyway, so that's that by the way. So follow me as I prepare my day today. As yeah, you can see. All right. So you guys, I am on my way to school now. I'm kind of late because they said the lecture was going to be by 9:30, and then the man came for 9:30, so I'm in a hurry to meet up. Yeah, I'm late, so I'm hurrying, trying to go to school. It's kind of not impromptu, kind of I don't know if it's the class rep's fault, but thank God I've actually like prepared and I'm on my way to school right now. I'm late, but I cannot be able to rush me. So that's the thing. So I'm out to school. This is the lecturer's card. See, fine game.
Predetermined index and it shows up, okay, automatically and it is detected. So biopsy, pathologists will do biopsy where you do biopsy depending on
How are you? So you guys, done for the day and going back to the hostel. Anyways, when I get back to the room, I'll tell you guys. I look very stressed right now. I'm eating. I'm so hungry. So yeah, see you later. Everybody has car in this class. God of the poor, where are thou? Where are thou? God of the poor. Anyways, this is day 3 of life on the final year student, my last lecture. So I couldn't do any video earlier today because I was late, I was tired, I was stressed. We had a very long hours of lectures, like till 5. I couldn't even study as much as I was very, very tired. Anyways, today I came late intentionally because I was tired. Nobody can kill me in this school. And yeah, here is starting my day today and with my video. So I'm not lecture by 11:30, and so that's what I have to do for today. After 11:30, I don't know when the next lecture will going to be that sharp, but I will just let you guys know how my day is. Tomorrow is my last day, last final, like just final yesterday. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Like, I am tired of these long hours of lectures. I cannot wait. And my days are growing closer and closer. All right. Take care. Sammy, say hi. No, I'm not putting you. End of today's lectures was very stressful. I almost didn't come to class. You guys can't hear me, so probably when I get to the room, I'll let you guys know. Bye. Huh? Good morning, everyone. This is the last day of my lecture, and I'm so excited. I know I've not been able to do so many videos in my Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I couldn't do so much because sometimes I get back, I'm stressed, and I have to study, and I have stuff to do, and then I'm like, do I ever have to start putting camera and all? But today, which is the last day, I'll try to show you how my last day in my as a final year medical student is, and I'm so excited to let you guys binge on my life. So I woke up around 6 a.m. I didn't show you guys that, but as I woke up, I actually said I prayed, then I started reading. So I've been reading from then till now. I have a target for every day, so I have to like meet up so that I can be able to cover up as much before the exams. I don't want to be scared before the exams. So today, I might go a little late to school because I don't even have strength again for these lectures. It's so tiring, long and tiring, but sometimes I do enjoy. Like yesterday, then a doctor and a mall that came to class. But anyway, so I'll show you guys what I have today planned out. Anyways, I'm studying now, so I'll soon start my day properly, okay? I switched off, right? I'm here like, what was the person? Well, you can see. Nothing much happened to me. Anyways, so you guys have seen my clothes. Let me still like show you guys how I look like again. So my wristwatch, and voila. Here's how I look like. Okay. I don't know if you can see my red shoe. I can't see my red shoe. You see later. Anyways, let's go to school. How do I look my last day from going to school? Let's review my red shoes and school bag. So
I'm not here and maybe that didn't come to the final lap. And so, Lord, we are not saying that we're not attributing it to ourselves. It's by your working. You are intentional about this. So we lift your name.
Please try again.
So you guys, since our last day, we decided we were going to take a class group picture. So we're all walking down to the place where we do our class group pictures. So yeah, so follow me as we're all going. Wait. No, I didn't show that part actually. So yeah, so we're all going for to have a picture, and then I don't even know, but everybody, let's just be going. Yeah, we're just spread everywhere. I can't wait to see our pictures. It's like, and this picture, I need to add a show. I will not show. Nobody will see me, Seth. Like, so crazy. Anyway, we're trying to have a picture, you guys. Let's follow this. I don't know where Nina is, so I feel those bad.
Please go to the back. Please
Okay, you're snapping already.
3, 2, 1. Okay, to do.
Have to be there.
I'm so excited.
You've been a wonderful guy.
Yes,
You've been wonderful.
I'm so excited. We're done.